Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 4.4. So let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Give the geometric representations of y is equals to 3 as an equation. Okay, in first question is in one variable. So give the geometric representation, that means we need to draw the graph, okay, of y is equals to 3 in one variable. Okay, if only one variable is there, then we need to draw only one axis. Okay, if one variable is there, so we only need to draw one axis, right? Now that axis, that means our number line. Okay, that means we need to represent this y is equals to 3 on number line. Okay, only one axis we need to draw, it means number line. Okay, so draw one number line and mark some numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, here -1. Okay, now what we need to represent here, y is equals to 3, right? So where we have 3 here, so this is the location of y is equals to 3. Okay, single point we get here. If only one variable is there, we can get the single point on the number line. Okay, so if we need to represent the equation, linear equation in one variable, then we only need to draw one number line. Okay, and we need to represent our numbers. Here we have y is equals to 3, so here we need to represent 3 on the number line. Okay, now same question but internal question number 2 in two variables. In two variables, y is equals to 3. Okay, if we want to represent this y is equals to 3 in two variables, now two variables, that means we need to draw two axes. Okay, x axis and y axis. Okay, so here first of all draw x axis and y axis. Okay, now we need to represent y is equals to 3, right? We have two ways here. Okay, now y is equals to 3, it means you can take any value of x. Okay, if you want to draw y is equals to 3, this is one linear equation. Okay, this is one linear equation, y is equals to 3. Now here x is not there, it means you can take any value of x here. Okay, that means if you take x is equals to 1, then even you get the y is equals to 3. If you take x is equals to 0, then even you get the y is equals to 3. If you take x is equals to 5, then even you get the y is equals to 3. Okay, here y is independent of x, it has fixed value only 3. You can take any x, but you have same value of y, it's a 3. Okay, so now take any 2 to 3 points. Okay, here I am taking 2 3, 1 3 and 0 3. You can take any value of x, right? Now 2 3, so here 1 2, here we have 2 3, right? If here we have 3, then this is the location of 2 3, right? And here we have location of 1 3, right? If we join these 2 points, so we get one horizontal line. Okay, 0 3, it is also on the line 0 3. Here our x coordinate 0, it means this point lies on the y axis, right? So on y axis we need to check this 3. Okay, if we join these points, then we get one horizontal line. Okay, and I already explained one thing in theory part, that means if our y is equals to constant, okay, y is equals to constant, here y is equals to 3, that means y is constant. If our y is equals to constant, then this line, it is a parallel with the x axis, right? If y is constant, then our line is parallel with the x axis. So here we get one horizontal line which is parallel with the x axis, right? I already explained these things in our theory part. Okay, if y is equals to 3, if our y is equals to constant, then we get the line parallel with the x axis, and if our x is constant, then we get the line which is parallel with the y axis. Okay, Now second question, give the geometric representations of 2x plus 9 is equals to 0 as an equation. Okay, here it is given 2x plus 9 is equals to 0 in one variable. First of all, in one variable, right? So here first of all we can find the value of x, right? Just transfer this 9 to the right hand side. So 2x is equals to, now if we transfer this plus 9 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 9. Okay, if we transfer this plus 9 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 9. Now transfer this 2 to the right hand side. Right now it is in multiplication. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the division. Okay, so here we get x is equals to minus 9 by 2. Again, here we have 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. First of all, transfer this 9 to the right hand side. Okay, so if we transfer this plus 9 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 9. Okay, now transfer this 2 to the right hand side. Right now it is in multiplication. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the division. Okay, so it becomes minus 9 by 2, right? So now this is a similar equation like question number 1, right? In that y is equals to 3 is given, here x is equals to 9 by 2 is given to you. Okay, x is equals to minus 9 by 2. Now if we want to represent this equation in one variable, then what we need to do? We just need to draw one number line and we need to represent this minus 9 by 2 on the number line. Okay, so here we need to draw one number line. Okay, now we need to represent some numbers on the number line, but 9 by 2 we need to represent here. Now 9 by 2, that means 4.5, right? So minus 4.5, we need to represent minus 4.5 on the number line. Now minus 4.5 is lies between minus 4 and minus 5, so that number we need to cover here. So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, now where we can represent this minus 4.5? So in between minus 5 and minus 4, so exactly in between, that means here we have x is equals to minus 9 by 2. Otherwise we can also write here equation which is given to us 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the location of our equation. Okay, if we want to represent this equation in one variable, then we can get only single point here. Okay, so for one variable we need to draw one number line and we need to represent our equation on it, and we get only single point. Okay, that single point is in between minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, now we need to represent this equation in two variables, right? Now here if we want to represent this equation in two variable, right, then we need to draw two axes, x-axis and y-axis, right? But here our value of x minus 9 by 2 minus 4.5 is fixed, right? You can take any value of y, but x is constant, it is minus 4.5, right? So you can take any value of y, your x is fixed minus 4.5. Okay, so just take a 2 point which is minus 4.50 and take one another point minus 4.5 with 3. Okay, you can take any value of y, your x coordinate is minus 4.5. Okay, now just look at these 2 points here. So minus 4.5 and 0, here y coordinate is 0, that means this point lies on the x-axis, right? Here x coordinate is 0, that means this point lies on the x-axis, right? So on x-axis we need to locate minus 4.5, which is exactly lies between minus 4 and minus 5, right? So this is our first point, minus 4.5, 0. Okay, Now we need to locate our second point. It is minus 4.5 and 3, right? So minus 4.5 and 3. Now on y-axis we need to check 3. Here we have. Okay. So this is the location of our second point, minus 4.5, 3. On x-axis it is minus 4.5. On y-axis it is 3. Okay. So here our 2 points are ready. One is here and one is here. Right. Now join these 2 points with the scale. So you will get one line. Okay. Now this line, it is a graph of your given equation 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, this is a graph of your equation. Now here our x coordinate is constant, that's why we get one line which is parallel to y axis. Okay, if our x coordinate is constant, then we get one line which is parallel with the y axis, right? So here our line is parallel with the y axis. That means every point on this line have same y coordinate, right? It is, sorry, x coordinate. That means every point which is lies on this line have same coordinate, same x coordinate. It is minus 4.5. Okay, if our y coordinate is constant, then our line parallel with the x axis. If our x coordinate is constant, then our line is parallel with the y axis. Okay, so here in this way we can represent a linear equation in one variable and two variable. Okay, so students, here our exercise 4.4 and chapter number 4 is complete. Okay, if you have any doubt in this chapter, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.